Hello everyone, I'm Tahiya Chowdhury, an assistant professor at Colby College, and today I'm going to talk about designing a sustainable marine debris cleanup framework without human labels. For this project, I worked with Raymond, Wang, Whitney and Nicholas Record. Our oceans cover 71% of the Earth's surface. They host diverse biological species and sustain marine life. But this precious ecosystem is threatened as various human-made materials like plastic, rubber, fishing gears enter the ocean, which results in severe environmental, economic, and health consequences. Government, industry, and community stakeholders are developing marine debris action plans tailored to the local community's needs. However, these initiatives can be expensive in terms of manual human efforts. As an alternative, prior research have explored computer vision-based approaches for automating marine debris monitoring using aerial images. Most debris items are difficult to distinguish from the background, such as rocks, grass. Human labels are typically used to detect and identify debris items from aerial images without making a physical visit. However, human annotation is a time-consuming process. This is costly and it does not scale well. Custom machine learning-based marine debris cleanup solutions are often led by technical teams, and they remain challenging to adopt by local communities. There is a need to design a sustainable, user-friendly framework for this problem that combines automated tools and local stakeholders' knowledge. To minimize annotation efforts, we use Grounding DINO, a zero-shot object detector that leverages information from vision and language to indicate an object's location within an image based on human-provided class labels and can detect novel categories. To classify the detected objects, we use CLIP, a zero-shot image classifier, trained on image text pairs to classify new classes that are unseen during training. The cropped image snippets from the detection step are used as image input, and for text input, we developed 7 class categories based on a manual survey of marine debris that we use as text query for the CLIP model. Knowing the location of marine debris hotspots, whether the objects are light or heavy, etc., can help the volunteer group to utilize their time efficiently during manual survey. For this purpose, we present the detected objects in a map that the volunteer team can use to coordinate the removal process. And this is how our final pipeline looks like. We evaluate this approach with a marine debris dataset collected on Allen Island, located in Maine, USA. For both detection and classification, the performance is comparable to existing supervised deep learning-based approaches using drone images, which is promising considering our approach does not require human labels. We also developed a web application to allow stakeholders to detect and classify debris objects from the image they can upload and map the debris location. We are currently working to create a mobile app based on the framework that volunteers can download, report location of debris items, and help remove them. Thank you for your attention. Please read our paper for more details.